This how we do in the hood though. And once y'all like, comment, subscribe, leave info of what y'all want to see in the game. I got it. So now I'm playing, but hit me up. Sorry for the bad camera. Sorry for the bad camera. I'm about to get my gamer corner soon.
Stay focused, stay alive.
So yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna see if I can get my dogs with a pistol. I'm trying to get my dogs with a pistol. We'll see how this works out. If you guys don't play with me, my name is MVPS Leader.
Our spy plane's in the air.
MVPS underscore Leader. Yeah. PS3. I'll be getting the PS4 soon too. But yeah. Just tell me what y'all want to see. Shout out to my man Bounding Ping. That's my man. Don't even know him though. We'll hit him up. Say you saw him on YouTube, whatever. Fuck it. Three and 2 out of it. That shit really pissed me off right there. Well, see y'all later. Deuces. Enjoy the gameplay.
Kill confirmed. Friendly mortars inbound. They're ready. Enemy spy plane above. Kill confirmed. Mortar coordinates received. Firing for effect. Friendly spy plane inbound. Kill confirmed. I'm out. Our SR-71's in the air. SR-71 ready for deployment. Ready for deployment. Dogs waiting for your mark. Dogs.
Got him! Mission accomplished. Get dogs with your pistol. Oh yeah, and also if y'all want to see any other challenges, just comment them, and I will attempt to do them. We'll see if I can get them. You'll see, I'm pretty good, but I think I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Well, if you think you're better, comment below, and we'll see what's up. Go watch my other videos I'm gonna post maybe later today. I'm not sure. Yeah. Enjoy. 32-7. 7 assists, bullshit.